अक्सर बोलते नहीं ये फ़ोन से सीखते हैं, बाहर से सीखते हैं, इंटरनेट से सीखते हैं, अमेरिका से सीखते हैं और यहाँ वहाँ से सीखते हैं, बहुत ख़राब चीज़ें सीखते हैं, तो घर में अच्छी चीज़ें क्यों नहीं सिखाई जाती? So we feel that if the woman understands this through her own experience of her own body, her own mind, her own capability, those are the lessons she will pass on to her children. So very, very, very important. We want a fitter and healthier India, and that will happen through the women of India. The last distance in the Invincible Women category in Pinkathon, and not the least, is the 100 kilometer. And we were also surprised जब हमने कहा कि ठीक है 100 किलोमीटर का डाल देंगे, देखेंगे कोई आ जाएगा करने के लिए. And Mumbai this time had I think 12 women who ran 100 kilometers, और जैसे मैंने कहा the oldest was 68 years old. Not only that, 6 महीने उससे पहले she had an accident and she broke her hip. She broke her hip in the accident in 2 places 6 months back, and after 6 months she ran 100 kilometers in 19 hours. That is incredible. मतलब ये कितना बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है. मुझे अक्सर लोग मिलते हैं वो ठीक से चल भी नहीं पाते 45 से 50 की उम्र में, और वो कहते हैं कि नहीं मेरा भी एक्सीडेंट हुआ था 10 साल पहले, दिक्कत हो रही है. I said you have to get yourself back together, be inspired and live your life again. इतनी अच्छी जिंदगी दी है भगवान ने या किसी और जिसने भी दी हो, ये जिंदगी इतनी खूबसूरत है, उसको जीना है एंड तक, right? And for that you have to have good habits. यही है, it is not difficult. मैं अक्सर लोगों से कहता हूँ कि मेरा मैसेज क्या है, मैराथन दौड़ो नहीं, 100 किलोमीटर नहीं, आयरन करो नहीं, just have better habits. Live your life the way you want. ऐसा मत सोचो नहीं भाई एज हो गया अब नहीं हो सकता. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? 90 इयर्स की एज में लोग कर रहे हैं जो भी उनको करना है, जिस तरह से जिंदगी जीनी है वो जी सकते हैं. आप क्यों नहीं जी सकते? Start today and your life is yours. That is it.
And also to add on this, this is the only ultra distance that has only women. Usually when you go to ultra distances anywhere in the world, you will see there's 90% men and 10% will be women. And here, this is only women. So even if it is 12 women doing the 100 kilometers, it's a lot. It's a lot for one city. So we are only going to grow in future. It'll be amazing.
Fantastic. So the limitless 100 kilometers at age 45, a naval veteran, ultra runner and fitness enthusiast, whose journey is defined by grit and perseverance. Active in sports and adventure from a young age, she began running with 5 kilometers in 2018. Wow. And quickly progressed to the full marathon and ultras, culminating in her first 100-mile finish year before last in 2024. Running in the Zydus Pinkathon since 2017, she believes there are no shortcuts to success, only consistent steps forward. Retired Commander Priya Khurana.
Milind sir, Ankita ma'am, it's a privilege to be here. I'm Commander Priya Khurana, a naval veteran. I've put in 22 years of commissioned service in Indian Navy, and as Milind sir said that I started my running journey. I've been an active student in my childhood days also, in my school days also, and uske baad life happened. I almost quit sports and then joined Navy. In Navy, I did all kind of adventure sports, river rafting, you name it, I did it. Trekking, then skydiving. I became a solo certified skydiver. For a brief period, I was captain of the women's skydiving team in Indian Navy. I led all-women trek to Pindari Glacier also. So, but all these adventure sports, although I was enjoying, but the real kick I got when I started running. It happened that I went through a small surgery which became worse, and I was in ICU. So while in ICU, I thought, okay, let me come out of ICU, then I'll run, maybe I'll walk my first 3 kilometer or 5 kilometer. In July, I was in ICU, then in September or October, Pinkathon, 3 kilometers in Visakhapatnam happened. Of course, Milind sir was there. So that was my first association or first run ever, 3 kilometers or 5 kilometers in Pinkathon. Started from Pinkathon, immediately Vizag Navy Marathon happened. There also I did 5 kilometers. and it gives me so much me time, so much introspection time. I got with myself, and it was a different journey altogether. I have always believed that fitness is a journey, it's not a destination. Like we say, there is no escalator to success but only steps. Fitness is also, means you have to take the step every day. Each step has to be of hard work, dedication, perseverance, consistency, you name it. Basically, you have to be consistent. Take out time. I always believe that it's a duty to take care of our body. अगर दिन में आप आधा घंटा 1 घंटा नहीं निकाल सकते तो फिर
या 5 मिनट
5 ओके। जैसे ऑलरेडी आरती मैम और ऋतु मैम ने बोला कि आप करोगे, आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करना है आपकी हेल्थ, तो बाकी के सब फैमिली मेंबर्स फिर आपके उसमें मतलब कि दे विल ऑलवेज सपोर्ट यू। आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज लकी दैट माय फैमिली ऑलवेज सपोर्ट्स मी, माय किड्स, माय मदर इन लॉ, माय हस्बैंड, दे नो कि इसको 1 घंटा रन पे जाना है तो जाना है, तो बाकी सारे काम उस हिसाब से चैनलाइज हो जाते हैं। आई वुड अर्ज यू all ladies especially, many are ambassadors and already fitness enthusiasts, influencers I see here. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, but yes, you have to take out time for yourself every day, and it's a journey, it's not a destination कि आज कर लिया 10 किलोमीटर तो खत्म नहीं हो गया। You have to be consistent, and इतना अच्छा लगता है वर्कआउट के बाद, एडिक्शन हो जाती है, मतलब कुछ भी और मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग, कुछ भी मूवीज, कुछ भी शॉपिंग आपको उतना प्लेजर नहीं देगा जितना एक रन या वर्कआउट के बाद देगा। मतलब मैनी वुड अग्री विद मी। It's a proud moment for me to be a brand mascot for 100K. I'm looking forward to the event. Thank you, sir.
I'd like to request Dr. and Ankita Kuwar to present the bibs to the mascots. So first to the 50 kilometer mascot, and they have gifts from Lifelong and Sirona.